Morning, everybody. I'm Jean-Guy Turcotte. This is Tania, Grozelle. We are with Regional Mortgage, a Dominion Lending Centers franchise. We are a full-service wholesale mortgage brokerage. We have leading mortgage lending solutions for all Canadians. We help you demystify the new government lending criteria and help educate them about the mortgage processes and give them, your clients, the power to choose their mortgage that suits their needs. We work with major banks, credit unions, monoline lenders, and many other mortgage-only lenders to find the right solution for you and your client's unique financial fingerprint. In our current lending climate, government regulation has made purchasing a home a little bit more complex, typically requiring Canadians more prep time to qualify for their home to purchase. Part of our complimentary educational service is to provide the unique steps that you require to be able to buy your home. Whether you're a first-time buyer, a move-up buyer, buying an investment home, or building your home, we have a mortgage for that. Where we differentiate from the bank branches is that we view the entire Canadian mortgage landscape from a bird's eye view, whereas your bank branches are limited to their very own products. Kind of like looking at tunnel vision, where we look at the entire market. Competitively, your bank branch can only look at what they offer to you. We have most of the Canadian mortgage landscape at our disposal and will clearly show you the differences between the options that are out there for you and what works best for you. Where does Regional Mortgage stand out from the crowd? We have over 40 agents across the province, and we help over 700 families a year obtain their mortgage. Our $250 million in mortgage volume allows us additional purchasing power and interest rate discounts from banks and mortgage companies. We all have multiple stories where a client went to their own bank, completed a mortgage application, and the bank provided their options, but poor service. When that happens, typically what happens is I get a phone call trying to save the file and trying to clarify all the little details that go along with that. So after they come to me, we've looked at their options, and maybe their bank is the best fit for them, and we have no problem sending them back to them, but quite often I can get them a better rate than they had offered to them when they were at the branch, with more detailed terms, and better service. The easiest part of our job is to find the great rate. It's a little bit more complex with the new lending landscape that's out there based on government regulation. But the rate isn't all that it is when it comes to mortgages. And Canadians are very well versed on just look for the best rate. But it's no longer just about the best rate. When you buy a car, do you just look at the price without looking under the hood? No, nobody does that. You want to have a look at the mortgage along with the landscape, find out what is best for you and your family, and then have a look at seeing what flexibility is within that mortgage as well. Things you want to know are what sort of portability, meaning can you transfer your mortgage to another property? Can you prepay your mortgage, and what sort of prepayment privileges come with that? How can you make lump sum payments? What is the maximum or the minimums that you can do? And what sort of flexibility can you get in that mortgage? Also, what sort of service is your lender offering to you? What else is in that? So you want to have a look at the mortgage. Just like a car, you want to look under the hood to see what's under there. You don't want to be saddled and surprised with what ends up being a problem 3 years down the line. And that's part of the educational process that we take. We want to make sure that you understand all of the little finite items that go along with your mortgage. We're going to compare what the bank's mortgage looks like for you. We're going to compare what a credit union looks like and what a monoline lender looks for you. If you've got more complex structures where you require secondary financing because maybe you had some credit issues, we can look at the B lending market and private market for you as well, all in one place. In our ever-changing mortgage landscape, finding the right experienced mortgage professionals is more important than ever before. With over 27 years of lending experience and over 1,100 mortgage transactions between Tania and I, we have access to dozens of lenders with long-term relationships that will help create a stress-free application for you, providing a strategy tailored specifically to your circumstances, all the while teaching and deciphering all the processes and nuances of the market. We are here as your dedicated mortgage professionals. Thank you for choosing local. Thank you for choosing 100% Canadian.